Hey, I'm Scottie, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I sketch this reference very loosely and lightly. I'll also be adding something simple at the end just to give it a bit of context, and I'll also be trying out some watercolour. I've changed to a Staedtler 0.1 for this sketch, which is a really nice pen to use to sketch quickly. A 0.1 I've found out is a really great pen to sketch with. I have had this reference sitting in my favourites for ages, but couldn't work out how to sketch it nicely as it's so complex. So here I'm taking a loose and light approach and flicking the pen to get some more expressive strokes. Thinking more what could look good as a sketch rather than getting it perfectly right. So that means exaggerating some lines, but the funny thing is that sometimes these exaggerated lines look actually more accurate than slowly trying to copy a line. So the way I sketch this quickly is to look at the first shape as a silhouette, and I ignore most of the details for now. Then as I'm sketching each shape, I pause, look at the reference, and then I look back at my sketch and imagine where it would go compared to those last shapes I just drew. If I do make a mistake when I look back, I can correct it. I just draw another line. These lines are so thin and it actually makes it look a nicer sketch. It gives it more character. The legs can be the hardest part here to get right, the right length. So I imagine a mannequin like this, I'll put it on the screen as I'm sketching, and then I also sit back in my chair and I just look back and see if it's the right length. So I could see here that the feet looked like they're a little bit small, so I added a bit to the bottom. You guys gave me lots of feedback in one of my last videos about what you would like in the background or adding stories. I really appreciate that feedback, and so here I just added something simple. It's not much, but I thought adding some leaves here would help give the context. Like she's finished work and she's jumping off a chair and there's all these leaves and wind flying around her. This sketch probably needs some contrast and shading, but I really like it, so I'm going to leave it here. I actually tried some watercolour. You can check it out here. It's very light watercolour, there's not much value in it. I'm not sure if it really works. It's another experiment for me. So this is something I've just got to work on, how to finish off my sketches once I've got the line work down. And before you go, if you want to check out some more valuable secrets for sketching with fine liners, please check out one of these videos next, and I'll see you in the next one.